Hey there, welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Jenny, this is Lauren, and we're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors. Today we're bringing the world to your table with a fun Italian pasta dish.
This dish really is very fun, Jenny. We're making Italian drunken noodles, and if that doesn't sound fun, I don't know what sounds fun.
So I love this because it has a lot of really great vegetables in it, mainly the bell peppers.
Yes, so we've got lots of different colors of bell peppers over here, and what we're going to do, I'm just going to work on slicing them up, and these are all sweet peppers, which are amazing in this dish.
Yeah, so we're using red, orange, and yellow, but you can certainly use whatever peppers you like. And while Lauren is working on that, I'm going to go ahead and get started on our sauce. So the first step is to heat up some oil in the pan, and I'm going to add in hot Italian turkey sausage. So we're using turkey sausage instead of pork sausage. It's just a little bit leaner, but still has a lot of really great flavor.
I love that Italian turkey sausage.
You would typically find it in links. So we just simply removed the casing and then crumbled it. And now I'm just going to let this cook for about 5 to 7 minutes or until it's nice and browned. All right, so the sausage looks nice and cooked. You smell that?
Oh, it smells so good. I love this sausage.
Me too. So next up, we're going to add in our sliced onion, and we're just going to cook that for about 5 minutes or until the onion is caramelized. Okay, the onions look good.
They smell amazing
They're
too.
nice and soft, yeah. All right, so going to add in our garlic. Lots of garlic in this dish.
Yes.
Good punch of flavor. And then we have salt and pepper, Italian seasoning, and red pepper flakes.
And the red pepper you can adjust depending on how spicy you like it. The amount in the recipe is a pretty good amount. You'll definitely taste the spice, especially with the sausage. So please feel free to increase or decrease it depending on your preference.
Always more for me.
And maybe a little less for me. It's pretty spicy.
We have a good compromise in the
Yes.
pan right now.
All right.
Peppers. All those pretty colors.
Oh, I love them.
Thank you. All right, so we're just going to cook these peppers for about 2 to 3 minutes until they're tender crisp. All right, these peppers look great.
They do.
Oh my gosh,
Yum.
so excited for this. All right, so next we're going to add in our white wine.
Yes, so really the star of our show. So today we're using a dry white wine. And the nice thing about this dish, if you are a wine drinker, when you open your bottle of wine to use for this dish, then you can serve it up and drink it while you're cooking or, of course, while you eat this dish. Yes. And if you prefer not to use wine, you can definitely use a chicken broth or a chicken stock in place of wine.
Mm-hmm. Oh, the wine smells
Good, yes, and it adds great flavor.
Yeah. So we're just looking for that wine to reduce a little bit, which it looks like it already has. Yeah, so next we're going to add in our diced tomatoes.
This will help make our sauce.
Yes, and that's the whole can undrained. And we just want this to come to a simmer and then cook for about 3 to 4 minutes to really let those flavors come together. Okay, everything is starting to look really good.
Yes, it's cooked down. These peppers add so much color.
Yes.
I love it.
Oh, it smells amazing. All right, so let's add a little freshness. We have some basil and some parsley.
Perfect. And this is reserved pasta water from when we cooked our noodles. So we're only going to add this if we feel that we need to thin it out a little bit. But it actually looks pretty good, so there's a possibility we do not need it.
Yeah, let's find out. So I'm going to get these egg noodles.
Yeah, so we are using extra wide egg noodles, and the egg noodles help with slurpability in this drunken noodle dish, but that also helps to hold up to everything that we have going on here.
Thank you.
Good job. You got them all in there.
I got them all in. Now let's see if I can toss this all together.
You're doing a great job. I don't think we need the pasta water.
I don't think so either.
It looks really
looks
good.
Saucy enough.
Yes, definitely. I'm going to get this out of the way then. And today, for garnishing, we are going to be garnishing with extra fresh basil, and then some shaved Parmesan cheese, and we're using a high-quality Parmesan that you would find at our deli cheese island.
Oh my goodness.
So good.
Thank you.
And we'll garnish. What a fun weeknight meal.
Yeah.
A little more gourmet, too. But still really easy. Everything we made in that one skillet.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, yum.
Look.
I love the look of shaved Parmesan.
Yes, and it's absolutely delicious. Oh, sorry. You need a fork.
I could eat with my hands.
Lots of flavor.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely a little heat, but with a glass of wine, I think that would really help tame it.
Perfect.
Yum.
So, why not give this dish a try for dinner tonight?
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit bestfoods.com.